Whoa, please excuse my feet shot. This is what I was filming on before. First on my phone, then on my Canon 50mm 1.2 using an adapter for a Sony E-mount, and I've just opened this beautiful 21.8 Sony lens so I can always be in focus. Oh my gosh, this makes me so happy. It's great being back here, and one of the reasons that I've really struggled producing videos was my gear. This is my current setup, the beautiful Sony a7R III with the beautiful macro 90mm 2.8 on it. But when it comes to filming these tutorials and these videos and any sort of practical videos where I just need to grab my camera and start recording something, the distance when I hold the camera in my hand towards me goes something like this. So as you can imagine, this is somehow impractical, although I absolutely adore this lens for client work. And we're back. Clearly, I don't need to use the mirror anymore. This right here is where the magic happens. This is the 20mm, and I just look around how much space I've got in the frame. The difference is considerable between a 20mm and a 24. Now this is going to be tremendously helpful for me in client work as well as for personal work and for this YouTube channel. This is getting heavy and uncomfortable. Here we are. I'm just doing one of my big no-nos, which is setting the camera at a lower angle than my face. I'm gonna quickly do my makeup. This would be a good moment for you to subscribe. Back home. This isn't the most tech video ever made on this lens, but I just wanted to say that overall I'm really happy with it, with the practicality of it and the overall features. I'm trying to get used to having a prime lens with an aperture ring on it, because most of my other lenses are either prime, either zoom lenses. I think the auto track works really well, which was one of my points when I was looking to purchase the lens. I wanted to buy a Sony lens, so the compatibility between the lens and the camera, it's at its best. When it comes to the price, I think I paid from Infinity somewhere around 800-900 euros. I'll put the link below for this lens. Depending on where you buy it, you might purchase it cheaper. Actually, I doubt you will purchase it cheaper. It's not a cheap lens. You can find cheaper wide lenses, but as I said, I was interested in certain features and I'm really happy with the purchase so far. However, since we are discussing price points, I'd like to say that if you're at the beginning of a YouTube series, or you're a content creator, or you're not, or you're thinking of starting YouTube, or thinking to invest, a wide lens is a must-have. It's a great starting place for whatever you're planning on doing. However, the best camera you've got is the one on you, which includes your phone. I know this is not brand new information, I know this is being repeated. However, if you think that not having a wide lens is what's stopping you from creating content, then you're wrong. I purchased it for the practicality of my workflow, to be able to produce more and easier without having too big of a distance between me and my camera, because that really did become a problem. If you're looking to invest, I strongly advise you to invest in a wide lens. It's a game changer. I think just start producing with whatever you've got on hand, start recording on your phone, start recording on any existent equipment you own, and take your time to progress, to invest, to put money on the side, to potentially earn money from this. If you're not a photographer or videographer or influencer of any sort, I'd recommend you start from scratch and you just produce, and then you're going to see a natural progression in equipment as well.